Hi there, in this exact video I will be sharing with you how to run Facebook ads completely beginner friendly and also a cool hack which most of the people out there have no idea to boost your conversion. So hang on with me. Now please don't skip any part of this video because you might miss out some steps because this video is fully packed with step by step. So hang on. The first step you need to do is log into your Facebook profile, okay? And I'm not going to do it right now. It's very easy. Just go and log in with your email and password and then you're inside of your Facebook account, and then open a new tab and type in business.facebook.com. Now what it does is it automatically take you to your business account. Now always remember, do not run your ads on your personal account. Always run in business because business has way more advantages than personal. So this is the account which I have, which I run ads before. Now I'm not running anything in here, and the name was Flat Belly Fix. It's basically a weight loss offer which I ran before, and now I'm not running that. So this is basically an overview of your entire ad. You can see here over how much you have spent, how many click links, how many purchases, how many website visits, everything here. Now the first thing you need to do is set up the payment option. You can click on these three dots arrows and then click and see your billing. Just click in there and put in your all information, so your credit card, your email, and then verify it, and boom, you're all set to go. Now I want you to know, I don't want to click that and say you everything because that will take some time and I don't want this video to be long. And then make sure you come on ads manager because that's the thing. Now Facebook time to time it changes its theme, so make sure you are catching the words, not the actions, okay? Now this click on this green button called create. Now always remember, there is a it's showing that you want to continue. No, I want to create a new ad. Always remember, there is a campaign. In a campaign there will be multiple ad sets. In multiple ad sets you can have multiple ads, okay? Now this is the very critical part where most of the people don't have no idea about, is that you need to set agenda for your ad. If you want to send traffic but you're running conversion campaigns, guess what, your ad will not work. So make sure, if you want to send traffic, click on this traffic ad campaign. If you want people to purchase from you, click on conversion campaign. For this example, I am going to run traffic campaigns, and the campaign name is website visit. Alright, click on continue and then the campaign is created. Now we are in the ad set. Now ad set name, keep it blank for now, and I'll tell you why I leave that blank. Dynamic creative offers, creating audience, all these are very advanced stuff. Let's see locations where you want your ad to be shown, which audience. Now for this example I want to show it to United States and also Australia. Alright, now the age may be some people from 25 to 55, and genders I have selected all. If you are running a weight loss offer, now it matters for your products and services, whom are your dream clients. So if you have a weight loss offer, you need to target only women because women are very keen to lose their weight than men. So make sure you put gender, age, and country based on your products and services. Now detailed targeting, this is the thing which will narrow down your audience. Now remember, the more narrow your audience is, the better your ad will perform. Now the detailed targeting, I want people who have interest on earn money online. Let's see how many the reach is. You can see here audience size, that shows the potential reach of your ad. Now it's very low. Let me add something, Gary Vaynerchuk. Okay, now it's cool. Now make sure the arrow is straight. Now it's a little bit on the right, so make sure it is straight. That's so that your ad is very narrow. Now edit placements, where you want Facebook to show your ads. Now for this example I want automatic, otherwise you can edit the placements and say I want only Instagram, I want only feed, I want only stories. So make sure you do that. Now for this example I'm doing automatic. Now what makes Facebook so powerful is that Facebook owns Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, all major apps. Now entire people out there, almost everyone have the accounts in three of these, mostly all in the three. So Facebook has a huge data which you can take leverage of. Optimization for ad delivery, link clicks because I want website visit. Now daily budget may be 800. Now here is the most thing which most of the beginners leave it, and that's it. Set a start date and an end date. If you don't tell Facebook that it start from this day to this day, and if you don't say it, Facebook will run ads continuously, and end of the month Facebook will show you a huge bill, like boom, and you would be like, what, I have done that money much and stuff like that. So make sure you specify the start date and end date of your ad. For this example, I want to run it continuously, and then click on continue, and then your ad set is complete. Now I forgot to put the ad set name. Let me put it right there. Why I didn't put the ad set name in the front in the beginning is because I don't know my audience, my targeted audience, my country, my age group, my gender. So what I like to do is first I will specify my audience, and then I will say that's a name. Now why is this? Because let me show you. Now this is basically website visit. The audience are from USA and Australia, and then the age was 25 to 55, and then the gender was all. So what now I know is if you have multiple ads running, now I can pinpoint this exact ad in hundreds of ads running in my account. So if you have just put in website traffic, you will be confused which website, with either mine or either my client's website. So make sure you put as detail as possible so that you can pick it out. It will save much of your time. So let's go to, now ad set is complete. Let's go to the ads. In ads, let's just simplify this as traffic. Cool. Now in this account I have only weight loss and relationship page. So make sure whatever offer you run, you have a relevant page. If you had a relevant page, your conversions will matter. So make sure that. And then what format? Now I prefer almost videos, but you have weight loss offers, you can do illustrated images. Well, they convert like crazy. So make sure your products and services which makes your conversions go. Now I always remember at the end of the day, Facebook is all about testing. You need to test to pick out the best one out and feed that only ad account. All right. Now add media, you can add a video or an image as you want. Now this is the most critical part. I want you to pay close attention to this. All right. The primary text. What is the primary text? Let me show you. I am giving away my free book, but only for the first 300 people. All right. So first I am giving away my free ebook, but only for 300 people. Now the headline may be, make sure to grab yours soon. And then the website is basically my website where I want to send people traffic on. And then call to action. Now call to action may be download, learn more, alright, request time, as you can see here, sign up, all this thing. But I like to do is learn more. It's very common. And tracking, again, pixels are very advanced stuff. I don't want you to explain in here. And you can see here, this is my primary text. I'm giving away my free ebook, and this is my website, and then this is my headline. No, I don't have the image set up, so it's not showing here. So make sure, and here is the cool hack which I want you to share with you is this. Now before I share, make sure you smash that red button below with the bells on. And the hack is using emojis. It looks very simple, but it's very powerful in your conversions. Now a common person comes across thousands of ads, okay, right? If you are putting ads relevant to other people, you are not standing out, you are not getting attention. If you put emojis, you stand out and automatically you get attraction. So make sure. And also, if you have something very important which you want your audience to see, make sure to put that in their left arrow hand and the right arrow hand, which points to that text. It's very attractive. So not all the Facebook who do Facebook ads use this, so make sure you apply this. All right, now if this video you are liking this, so make sure to smash that like button. All right, now after you have seen all that, just click on this confirm button green, and then the Facebook will verify, review your ad, and then boom, your ad will be shown to your audience. So if you want more videos on Facebook ads, like all the advanced stuff, like your custom audience, like pixels, like how to target your audience, all right, all this stuff, and save you money, make sure you comment below and let me know, because then only I'll know that you are in need of Facebook ads, so that I can make videos totally for free for you. And make sure you comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.